Hi everyone! Just another quick video for you to practice your counting like we do all the time in school. So there are a few different ways to get to 100, as you probably already know, but I just want to practice just for some refreshers of how we can count to 100. So the first way we're going to count is by ones. So the way we do that, and we're not going to count all the way to 100 by ones today, we're just going to go up to 20. So all we're going to do is start at our first square, which starts with number 1, and we count. Alright, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and stop. Alright, so that's counting by ones. So some of you might be doing that. Some other of you might be counting by twos. And we're going to do that to 20 again. So if we're counting by twos, we need to start at the number 2. So let's start at the number 2 and count by twos. Get ready. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Down to the next row. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And stop. Alright, so we have a few more ways to count to 100. Those were our 2 slower ways. Now we're going to pick it up. We're going to count by the number 5. So the way we do that, we start at the number 5 and we count by 5s. Alright, let's do it. Get ready. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, and stop. Alright, so that was counting by 5s, and really, counting by 5s, you're just going back and forth, then back and forth to the 5s, where you see all the numbers ending in 5, and back over to the 10s row, where you see all of the numbers ending in 0 here. So just back and forth. Alright, now we're going to make it even faster because we're going to be counting by 10s, one of my favorite ways to count. So we're counting by 10s, so we have to start at number 10. So we're going to start at number 10 and go down. Get ready. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Nice job. Alright, that was counting by 10s. I have one more way that we can count, and it's probably the speediest one, but we haven't practiced it a whole lot. So hopefully you get some practice, and when we get to go back to school, maybe you get to show me how you can count by 25s. So we're going to count by 25, so we need to start at 25, and we're only going to say 4 numbers. 25, 50, 75, 100. Let's do that again. Get ready. 25, 50, 75, 100. One more time. Get ready. 25, 50, 75, 100. Alright, see if you can do it. Okay. And that was our counting video. So you can come back and use this video as many times as you need to. It'll be here. And just remember to keep on counting using that hundreds chart. And keep on remembering what those numbers look like. Alright. Bye.